Hi everyone, I'm Laura Madden with Laura Madden Lifestyle. I just wanted a really good excuse to use this really hot, sexy toy microphone. Isn't it cool? It's so fun. And I wanted to tell you about a new program I'm offering called Be the Spokesmodel of Your Brand. Now, I don't know about you, but I have always wanted to be a spokesmodel. Never happened. Hasn't happened yet. I've been a model and an actress for almost 20 years now, but my dream of being a spokesmodel has not yet come true. So I've made it my job to be my very own spokesmodel of my very own brand, my very own service, my very own business. And it's a hell of a lot more fun than promoting someone else's stuff. So I want to help you become the spokesmodel of your business, of your brand, of your product, of your service. So what is the whole point of being a spokesmodel? It is to make seen and to make heard. To make something, a product or service or brand, seen and heard. And the beautiful thing about being a female business owner is that you are your brand. So you can make it however you want it to be. It can look and feel and sound exactly how you want, which is freedom. Which is freedom. And let's face it, that feels so good. So in my program, we are teaching you the tools, giving you the support, the accountability, the PR strategies, the confidence and courage building exercises to put yourself out there in a big, bold way and to be the spokesmodel of your very own brand. You are going to find the superstar within you so you can get out there and shine, whether it's taking gorgeous eye-grabbing photos and videos or putting out rock star media content that people cannot take their eyes and ears off of. This is gonna be so fun. So if you're interested, I'd love to offer you a free Be the Supermodel Spokesmodel of Your Brand session. So in the box below, I would love it if you're interested to apply. There's 6 questions and I need you to fill out each and every question in entirety. And when you do, if it's a great fit for you and for me, then we will go ahead and schedule your free session and you will be on your merry way to promoting your business, having a good time, being seen, being heard, and changing the world. Whether it's one Facebook post, one YouTube video, one article written, one TV show at a time, we're gonna find the way that works for you. So I hope you'll join me on cyberspace, www.laura-madden.com. Sign up below, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.